Welcome back to Tony Herbal Remedies. Today, we're diving into the world of herbs and their incredible benefits. We'll explore 5 powerhouse herbs: lavender, peppermint, lemongrass, lemon balm, and ginger. Whether you're looking to boost your health or just curious about these aromatic plants, you're in the right place. First up, we have lavender. This beautiful purple herb is not only known for its soothing aroma, but also for its impressive health benefits. Lavender is great for reducing anxiety, improving sleep, and even easing headaches. You can use it in teas as an essential oil or in bath soaks for a calming experience. Next, let's talk about peppermint. This herb is famous for its refreshing flavor and cooling sensation. Peppermint is excellent for digestive health, helping with issues like bloating and indigestion. It also works wonders as a natural headache remedy and can be used in teas, oils, or even as a flavoring in your favorite dishes. Our third herb is lemongrass. Known for its citrusy flavor, lemongrass is a fantastic addition to your culinary and wellness routine. It's great for boosting digestion, fighting infections, and even reducing stress. Lemongrass can be used in teas, soups, and curries, or as an essential oil for its refreshing scent. Now let's explore lemon balm. This herb has a lovely lemony fragrance and is known for its calming properties. Lemon balm is great for reducing stress, improving sleep quality, and even alleviating cold sores. You can enjoy it in teas, tinctures, or use it fresh in salads. Last, but certainly not least, we have ginger. This root is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to aid digestion. Ginger is also effective for relieving nausea, improving circulation, and boosting your immune system. You can use it fresh, in teas, or as a spice in cooking. And there you have it, 5 amazing herbs with incredible benefits. Incorporating lavender, peppermint, lemongrass, lemon balm, and ginger into your daily routine can enhance your well-being and bring a touch of nature's magic into your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Tony Herbal Remedies. Share your favorite herbs in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going.